Good morning, students. Welcome to science class. Students, let's continue chapter 3, Nature of Matter. In today's session, we will learn the following properties of matter: appearance and feel, transparency, floating and sinking. Appearance and feel. Students, materials are known to differ from one another in terms of their appearance, means lustrous or dull, and their feel, means smooth or rough. For example, metals generally have a lustrous appearance and a polished piece of marble has a smooth feel. Transparency. Students, the property of a material to allow light to pass through it is called transparency. Let us understand this property of matter with the help of an example. Take an empty glass tumbler, hold it against light and look through it. Students, we can see the light on the other side of the tumbler because glass is a transparent material as the light can pass through it. Pure water, air, and a thin sheet of polythene are some other examples of transparent materials. Students, some materials do not allow light to pass through them. Such materials are called opaque materials. Let us understand opaque materials with the help of an activity. Take a piece of wood, hold it against light and look through it. Students, we cannot see the light on the other side of the wood piece because wood is an opaque material. It cannot pass light through it. Thick plastic sheet, blackboard, and wall are some examples of opaque materials. Floating or sinking. Students, materials which are lighter than water generally float over it. Let us understand this property of matter with the help of this example. Take some water in a mug, drop some pieces of ice in the water. Students, we observe that the ice piece float on water because they are lighter than water. Students, materials which are heavier than water generally sink in it. Let us understand with the help of an example. Take some water in a mug, drop some pebbles in it. Students, we observe that the pebbles sink because they are heavier than water. Students, that's it for today. In the next session, we will learn rest of the properties of matter. Till then, take care. Goodbye.